Hey, this is Nirjara Aura here, and I'm an energy alchemist. I'm a manifestation coach. I'm an ascension coach. I'm a spiritual scientist, an occultist, and a healer. Today, I've come up with a very unique, powerful course which is part of the manifestation, and the course is called Manifest with Vision Board using the ancient wisdom and the new age techniques, scientific techniques. What is vision board? First and foremost, I want to welcome you to the world of vision board, and I want to educate you on what vision board is if you don't know. Vision board is basically all that your desires which are there in your life that take shapes with the help of a vision board. It basically is all your possibilities that can become tangible, that can become real, that can